What's up, guys? Welcome back, my fellow dream chasers. And if this is your first time coming to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe and like button. Appreciate all you guys watching my videos, coming to my channel. Make sure you share the video if you like the content I'm putting out. Share it on social media, share it with your friends and family. Just try to build up my channel, get as many views and subscribers as I can. I appreciate all the support from you guys. So I know it's been a while since I posted a Project Tahoe update. I have decided on what I'm gonna do. I plan on supercharging the Tahoe just for reliability issues. I've had several turbo cars, and you always have a few issues with turbo cars. And this is gonna be my everyday vehicle. So I use this, like I told you, I'm in real estate. You can see some of my signs behind me. If I'm out driving around or I have clients with me, don't wanna have to worry about my car breaking down. So I'm gonna put a procharger kit on it, and I'm gonna have it on its own drive system. So if say for instance, the belt comes off the supercharger, I can still drive the car. It just won't have any boost. So, and I can just throw a belt on there later when I get home or back to the shop or something. So keep it simple. I'm also a few upgrades I plan on doing to it. Like I told you, it's a big vehicle. I've got 22s on it right now from the factory. I might upgrade the wheels. Like I said, I'm more into drag racing and stuff like that. So I'm not gonna put a huge wheel on it or donk it out. At least on this one, that's just not the style I wanna go for. I plan on putting a big brake kit on it, either Bear or Brembo, something big. It's a big vehicle, so I might as well add some stopping power to it. I also plan on upgrading the exhaust system, putting a full 2-inch long tube headers on it to a full 3-inch system, catless. I'm not gonna run cats on it at all. It might have mufflers, but that's it. So it'll be a little loud, but it shouldn't be too bad. So I'm also gonna put an intake manifold on it. Most likely, I'm either gonna do the procharger intake manifold that they actually make, just so everything matches, or I might put a Holley high ram on there if it'll fit under the hood, because I don't want, I want to keep this looking pretty stock. So, and if I want to take it to the track, I might get a set of drag radials for it. I might not, I don't know. But this isn't gonna be a super drag car. So like I told you, as you guys watch, give me your ideas. I plan on doing a full drag vehicle. So right now I'm leaning toward a C7 Grand Sport, C7 Z06, or a C7 ZR1 as my full race project, where I'll be going all out on that. So built transmission, built motor, making around at least 1,500 horsepower to the wheels. Those are my goals for that project. So, but if you guys want to see something else, whether it be a Viper, a Dodge Hellcat, whatever it is, something foreign, let me know what you're most interested in, and I'll try to make it happen. Just as the channel grows, I'll keep increasing the content that I put out, more cars, more upgrades. As you watch, you guys are going to control that. So the more subscribers I get, more views I get, more content I'll be able to put out, and the quality of the content will go up. So, but yeah, so I took a few footage at the shop. We had a couple cool cars up there over the past few days. So I'll let you see some of the cars that were up there dynoing. Some cool, like a really clean 2nd gen Camaro, all motor, making over 500 to the wheels, super clean, lots of cool stuff. So, and I'll be making a series. I'll give you a little compilation every now and then of different cars dynoing, doing like dyno day videos. We have a couple events coming up at the track here, Thunder Valley, like streetcar takeover. that's happening this weekend, which this is Friday. So all that's happening tomorrow. So I might take a couple videos up there for you guys. We have some street racing events coming up. But just keep watching, stay tuned to the channel. Like I said, hit that subscribe and like button, share these videos, and if you have any questions down in the comments, let me know. I'll read every comment, I'll reply to every comment. So just hit me up in the comment section. So after this, I'll be showing you guys some of the cool stuff we were doing up at the shop, just hanging out with the fellas, and a few of the cool cars up there. So all right, with no further ado,